afternoon, everyone. So we are the Group 7 reporters. So our topic is all about solving the linear recurrence relation. So what is linear recurrence relation? So a linear recurrence relation is the equation that defines each term of a sequence as a linear combination of previous terms. It's used to describe sequences where each term depends on a fixed number of earlier terms in a regular way. There are two methods to solve linear recurrence relation. So there are homogeneous and non-homogeneous. So what is homogeneous recurrence relation? A recurrence relation is homogeneous if every term depends only on previous terms, with no extra constants or functions added.
The second method in solving linear recurrences relation is non-homogeneous. Now, what is a non-homogeneous recurrence relation? A recurrence relation is non-homogeneous if it includes an exotherm like constant or a function of n not involving previous terms. So for us to easily identify the different kinds or different methods of solving linear recurrences relation, we have here a table. So in first column, we have here the different types or different methods of solving recurrences relation, linear recurrences relation. First is the homogeneous and the second is non-homogeneous. So in the second column, we have the general form. So this is the general form of homogeneous, and this is also the general form of non-homogeneous. Homogeneous has no exotherm and non-homogeneous has exotherm. And as we can see in the example, in homogeneous there has no constant or exotherm, unlike in non-homogeneous it has a +3 or constant. That's why it is called as non-homogeneous. So we have here an example about homogeneous. So let us solve the recurrence relation of a sub n is equal to 2a sub n minus 1 with a sub o or a sub 0 is equal to 3. So this means each term is twice the previous one and we start with 3. So it means that if the first term is 3 and the second term must be or should be 6 because it is twice. So when we say a sub 0, it is where we start. So since the a sub 0 is 3, so let us start in number 3. So let's write a few terms. So in a sub 0 is equal to 3, so it's given. So a sub 1 is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So where we get the 2? We get the 2 from the given of a sub n is equal to 2a sub n minus 1. So, and then the 3 we get it from the a sub 0. Then next is the a sub 2. Let's have the same process. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So we get the 6 from the result of a sub 1 and so on. So now look at how each term grows. So in a sub 1, we have 2 raised to 1 times 3 is equal to 6. Then a sub 2 is equal to 2 raised to 2 times 3 is equal to 12. Then sub 3 is equal to 2 raised to 3 times 3 is equal to 24. And a sub 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4 times 3, which is 48. So in general, a sub n is equal to 2 raised to n times 3. This means you raise 2 to the power of n. Then multiply the result by 3. We just rewrite it as a sub n 3 times 2 raised to n. So this is the final.
Good afternoon. Today, I will explain how to solve a non-homogeneous recurrence relation using this example. So we have the given, which is a of n equals to a of n minus 1 plus 1 with a of 0 equals 1. So first of all, gitawag ni siya og non-homogeneous kay naman siya plus 1 sa iyang siyang given. Kay kung wala na siya plus 1, so mao na siya gitawag og homogeneous. Common. So next is step 1. So we have to compute first the first few terms, so which is the So mao ni siya. So kuan para may baw. So atong gamiton ang formula para may bawan nato ang unang mga terms kay bali ana. So mao ni siya is a of 0 equals 1. So mao ni given. So ato ni siyang ginani. Okay, step by step na to siya. So kabante mo pansin mo ni kaning so ni 1 3 7 15 31. So di ba naka-pattern siya? So the pattern is 1 3 7 15 31 63. So same ra siya ani. So ginani ra na siya ana para makuha ang kuan answer. Ya humana na kanang kung mapito siya kuan bitaw sequence bitaw na naka-sequence siya 1 3 7 15 31 63. So step 2 kay step 2 is observe the pattern now, compare there with powers of 2. So step 2 ato i-find ang yang pattern. So ang pattern is which is 2 raised to the power of 1 minus 1 equals 1. So diba match sila? So match sila ani diba? So ano siya? Match siya. So match sila. So step 3. So ato gisuot ang formula, write the formula from the pattern. The formula is mo na itong formula diba? So or kaning kuan or a of n equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. So mo ni siya. And then so check last step 4 is check the initial value to be sure. So let's test in equals 0. So yung test kuan equals 0. So a of 0 equals 2 raised to the power of 0 plus 1. So correct. So mo ni kuha na yung final answer. So mo na ni ang final answer. So I think that's all. So thank you.